This is the Tempurpedic queen size Ergo adjustable base. It needs to go upstairs. It weighs 168 pounds, which is a little bit heavy for my wife and I. So what we're going to do, we're out in the garage and we've unboxed it. So what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect some wires here, head, foot, head vibration, and this one multifunction number 1, because those are the wires that traverse from one side to the other. Then we're simply going to take these bolts loose. I'll take some pictures for reference, but we're going to take these bolts and nuts loose from both sides, and we're going to turn a 2-piece into 2 1-pieces, and that should reduce the weight considerably going up the stairs. Stay tuned, we'll let you know. As you can see, I've marked these wiring inputs: H, F for foot, L for lumbar, HV for head vibration. And we're going to leave this one connected because it stays on this side of the bed. So we'll only be disconnecting one of these. They look like Ethernet connectors, so that'll be the only place that can go back. You'll need 2 13mm or 1/2" wrenches or sockets. They're 13.5 or both the same, so either one will work. You'll note that these bolts use a nylock washer on both sides and a nylon washer. So as you can see, they're made to pivot freely. So when you put them back, you don't want to over tighten them and crush those nylon washers. You just want them nice and snug like that. These turned out to be not nylon washers, but they're actually nylon bushings. You may have to lift one side or the other and support the weight just a little bit to free up everything so the bolt comes out, but just work with it and it makes sense. Take it out. Note the position of the piece that joins the 2 halves together. We think that when we get the other side loose, we'll just pull them apart and that'll stay right here under this section here. It looks like it's going to fall out or something when you're transporting, then you might just want to take it out, put it in your pocket or whatever. Quick update, my brain showed up for work, and you really only have to take one bolt out and the other one will just hold these pieces in place. So don't be like me, do it right the first time. So now here we are back upstairs, both halves put back together. All wires are reconnected and we're ready to put it in place.